Hello, I'm Koontz Jr., and today we're going to take a look at another PowerToys utility, the Peek Utility. The Peek Utility allows us to create a preview of a file on our device. To request a preview of a file, hit the keybind Ctrl and Spacebar with the file selected. Not all file types will work perfectly with the Peek command and may not show a full preview. Once you have a preview open, you can also scroll between all the files in the current folder using your directional arrow keys on your keyboard. If you want to then open the image in the Photos app as opposed to the preview, you can utilize the Open with Photos button at the top. You can also use the Pin button to lock the location where the Peek utility will open photos on your screen. Unpinning will cause the photos to open in the default location in the center of your screen. For more information on how to install Microsoft PowerToys, check out the link in our description below.